Blessings YouTube, welcome back. International weekend over with, so back to local football, and we have some big news from the Stars of the East. Harbour, despite currently trying to take the Caribbean Cup right now, just went on social media last night and announced a slew of new signings just in time for the new season. I mean, I talk a whole heap, I talk 15 new signings them announced, So I hope not butcher nobody's name, but I'm gonna run through the list of players them just announced. Starting with the goalkeeper Glenn Rice Samuels, then we have a defender Kimo Jones, Kimani Reed, Kevin Clark, Matthew Cook, Shaquan Nelson as a midfielder, Courtney Allen, Shidalu, I'm never about to try to pronounce him last name, Ajuma Johnson, David Reed as the attacker, Lamar Davis, another attacker, Omar Thompson, Tawar Hemmings, Shaquille Bradford, and Andre Fagan. So that's 15 new players the man bring in. And if you remember, Harbour finished 4th last year in the regular season and made it to the semi-finals, narrowly missing out on the finals by Cavalier. And if I remember correctly, they also was in the finals of the Link Cup. So them really do them best to strengthen the team. And as I said, them currently away right now are dealing with Caribbean Cup issues. So them prepare for the new season. We can't say, boy, them look like them up to something. But must mention notable people that have left the club. Them lose Colorado Murray and Timor Lewis as 2 starters out of their side. Especially Murray, you got miss his goals them, right? So it'll be all eyes will be on the attackers them when them just signed to see if them can replace them goals there. But yeah, man, that's his Harbour summer signings. More might be coming, but that's what we got so far. And again, we wish them luck in their Caribbean Cup. Because, boy, I need a Premier League team in a CONCACAF Champions Cup. Need one. But yeah, man, that's it for now. That's Harbour again. 15 new players. And we'll leave it there so. So big up again, Jean-Pierre fans. Big up.